of fruits and herbs that start with alif mad a or alif and use their benefits according to your needs. And children should also watch and learn from this video so that their knowledge, learning, and speaking abilities can improve.
Mango, aam, ambalica, amba, pomegranate, anar, lavender, ustu khudus, scargocola, anas root, Rhiza glabra, aslul sus, fig, anjeer, Ristota, anjabar, kurchi seeds, andar jo talwa, grapes, angoor, pineapple, ananas, sweet indarjo shirin, colossian,